This video lecture is dedicated to autonomous system and their stability. So we will deal with autonomous system. So firstly I am defining what is a autonomous system. So definition of autonomous system. So following system of 2 cross 2 variable dx by dt equal to say f of xy independent from t, and dy by dt is g x of y. So where x and y are dependent variable. So autonomous system, they are dependent only on x and y and not on independent variable t. So this is a autonomous system of two variables x and y. And in this topic we will study these autonomous system and will talk about their stability. So firstly I am going to consider the phase plane for linear system. So there are many differential equations which cannot be solved analytically. So you cannot solve every system, and of course you can use numerical methods which provide solutions of these equations. And another approach that we are going to study in this topic, and this is called geometric approach. And so by applying that geometric approach or sketching the equations, we can analyze the solution behavior. Okay, so in fact we will not able to solve all differential systems, so we will study their qualitative properties of solutions. And so for simplicity we consider a 2 cross 2 system, So you can write 2 cross 2 system as x dash equal to a of x. Okay, so what is x here? So where x is a column vector having two variable x1 and x2. Okay, so if the points for which right hand side of the above equation is 0, so the points for which x dash equal to a of x, this is equal to 0, such points corresponding to constant solutions, and these points are called equilibrium points. Or often we write them critical points of the system. Okay, so for ax equal to 0, so since we have ax equal to 0 and we will assume that a is non-singular, that is determinant of a is non-zero, so this follows that x equal to 0 is the only critical point or equilibrium point. Okay, so if determinant is 0, so then system may have non-zero solutions. And how solution looks like: a solution of the system is a vector function. Okay, so say x equal to phi of t, which is again a column vector, so which satisfy the differential system. System and we can write its parametric form. Okay, so such a function can be written in a parametric form in x1 x2 plane. And it is often useful to regard this curve as a path or trajectory, and the x1 x2 plane in which you plot the solution is called phase plane. Okay, and it is a representative set of trajectory and a representative set of trajectories or set of some graphs of solution is referred as phase portrait. Okay, so that sketching is called phase portrait. So as we have studied previously, so if you solve this system, you got we got solutions like their first component is, say, eigenvector is v1, then solution is like this. Second eigenvector is v2 e power lambda 2. So you can say that x1 is proportional to v1 and multiply by this number e power lambda t. Okay, so x1 is a vector. So let us say first solution has two component. Okay, and so is v1. So v1 also has two components and multiply by e power lambda 1 t. So solution depend on eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So to draw these phase portrait, we will consider all cases studied before that. We consider real eigenvalue, repeated eigenvalue and complex eigenvalue. Okay, so now I write notion of stability. So which solutions are stable, which are not stable? So stability of any critical point or equilibrium point means, so stability on equilibrium point means that solutions, so which are close enough to the equilibrium they remain close forever. Okay, so if solution is close enough, so if a solution like this is critical point, say solution is nearby this critical point, so it will remain near. So like, okay, so it will not go away. Then we say that equilibrium point is stable. And there is another notion which is asymptotic stability. Asymptotically stability means that solutions that start close enough, as we study notion of stability, so as they start close enough, they not only remain close enough, okay, so but also eventually converge to the solution. So let us say 0, 0 is the equilibrium point, so you have some solution, so that solution will start approaching to origin, okay. So that is asymptotically stable solution. And of course asymptotical stability implies stability, and converse is not true. So those solutions are asymptotically stable, they will start approaching to equilibrium point, okay. So now we consider as an motivational example, so we study 3 cases. So there are 3 main cases, okay. So I'll start with first, real eigenvalue, okay, and this has further 3 cases. So real eigenvalue, they can be both negative, okay, they can be both positive, and one negative and one positive, okay. And second case is you have repeated eigenvalues, repeated so in that case you have only 2 possibility, negative and positive, okay. And third case is that you have complex eigenvalues, okay. Then you have, okay, I'm writing down. So third is complex eigenvalue, when real part is, so that depend on real part. When the real part is, that can be negative, that can be positive, okay. And third case, that can be 0. And if you remember that, then solutions are, if alpha plus iota beta is eigenvalue, then solutions are e power alpha t, then multiply by cosine and sine sum, okay. So now we study examples of all. So I am starting first example. So this is case first, okay. So first part, real eigenvalues, and both negative, okay. So I am taking a system now. So let us take system x dash equal to ax, okay. So in all example I will take this system, so where a matrix will change. So a is, let us say, -3 3 0 -2, and find its eigenvalues. So eigenvalues are, so say lambda 1 is, you need to find eigenvalue -3 and also find corresponding eigenvector which is 1 minus 3. Okay, then find second eigenvalue by solving characteristics polynomial. This is -2 and corresponding eigenvector is 0 1. Okay, so solution will be in the direction of v1 and v2. So as solution will depend on v1 e power lambda 1 t, v2 e power lambda 2 t. So exponential, this is just a number. So solution will depend on these eigenvectors. So I am going to draw a sketch. Okay, so just draw the sketch of this. So this is the phase plane. Okay, so x1 x2, this is a phase plane, sorry, phase portrait. So case with the, so let us draw. So where will be v1? So this will be 1 and -3. So 1 -3 somewhere here. So first eigenvalue, so since eigenvalue both are, they are negative. Okay, so eigenvalues are negative, so solution will have e power -3t, e power -2t. Okay, and when t goes to infinity, so both will goes to 0. Okay, so let us draw. So this is okay, so in the direction of v1, so this is -3. Okay, so this is corresponding to lambda equal to -3 and your solution is going towards to the origin. Okay, and from this side you also have. Okay, and another eigenvalue, so this is second eigenvalue is -2 and eigenvector is 0 1. So 0 1 will be, so 0 1 in this direction. Okay, so that eigenvalue, say that is also e power -2t, so that will also goes to, so first locate these eigenvector here, so that will be here somewhere. Okay, first one v1 and some v2 will be this. Okay, so that lambda equal to -2 and that is also towards the origin. So these are two sketches or phase portrait for the solutions. And if you have any another solution, so that is also going into this direction maybe. Okay, so some solutions, they are going in this direction, so eventually they will go to the origin. Okay, and some solution may be coming from that side, so that is going here, but as t will be bigger, so this solution will approaches to the equilibrium point, and this 0 0 is the equilibrium point. Okay, or critical point. So this is the graph, and which is known as phase plane, and in this example both eigenvalue were negative, so all solution will tend towards the origin. Okay, so something, so some you are going from here, so that will approach to here, so all solution will approach to the critical point, and in this case critical point is called stable. And in fact it is asymptotically stable. Okay, so this critical point is called stable one. So now I am taking second example. So this is the case when you have real eigenvalues, but they both are positive. Okay, so let us take matrix. So in this case you need to take this matrix. So -1, -2, 4 and 5. So this is given system. Okay, you can take any matrix which has both positive eigenvalue. Okay, so this is just an motivational example. So find its eigenvalue, say lambda 1, lambda 2. So they are 1, 3, and corresponding eigenvectors are v1 and v2. So first one is 2, 1 and second one is 1, 1. Okay, so now we draw the phase portrait, and of course now solution will be e power t, e power 3t. As t will increase, you are going, so you will go away. Okay, so this is the direction. So this is x1, x, this is the phase plane, say x1, x2. Okay, so now where will be v1 vector? This one. So v1 is 2, 1. So just go 2 on x-axis, 2 and 1 here. Okay, so this is v1, direction of v1. And where is v2? This is just 1. Okay, so we'll go 1. So maybe okay, so just go 1 here, so and 1 here. Okay, so both has same direction. Okay, so let us draw some sketches. So first eigenvalue, so any solution that is starting from critical point, okay, and then you are going away, that is for 1. Okay, so same in that direction. Okay, so you are going away. And another solution for this, that is for second eigenvalue, which is 3. Okay, and you are again going away. Okay, and you can extend it in this direction as well. So you are going away. Okay, and we know that e power 3t will be bigger than e power t. So as t increases, so all solution will go near line e power 3t. Okay, so let us take any solution. Let us take any solution, so which is going here. So as t increases, so it will go near this. Okay, of course it will increase, and let us say any solution will go like this. So after t increases, so it will start approaching to this one, as e power 3 will dominate. Okay, and similarly here, if any solution is going here, so that will going towards to this e power 3t. Okay, so let me draw this clearly. So okay, so they will not intersect and they will be parallel. So okay, so this is x2. Okay, so this will be so solution will be like this. Okay, so in that way you can draw as many as sketches you want. So in that case, critical point is unstable. Okay, so you are going away. So and next example is this is again for case 1. So you have real eigenvalues, but they are of opposite sign. Okay, for one is negative, another one is positive. So take a matrix A which have two eigenvalue are of opposite sign. So 4, 2, 0, -1. Find its eigenvalue, say lambda 1. This is 4, and corresponding eigenvector, say that is v1. So that is 5, 2. Okay, so just solve ax equal to AV equal to lambda V to find this V1. And second eigenvalue is -1 and V2 is 0, 1. So you have one eigenvalue which is positive, one is negative. So we are drawing the phase portrait. This is x1, this is x2. So now firstly take the direction of V1. So V1 will be 5 times 5, 2. So just go 5 and 2. Okay, so somewhere here. And V2 will be 0, 1. So 0, 1. So here. So on x2 axis. So now I am drawing these two directions. So one is that. So that correspond to lambda 1, lambda equal to 4, which is positive. So you are going away. And second one is, so this on this axis. Okay, so that is negative, so you will go towards, okay, that lambda equal to -1. So you are going towards the origin, critical point origin. Okay, so as you know that, so solution will have e power 4t and that will control. Okay, so if any solution, let us say, coming towards in the direction of, say, lambda 2, in the direction of V2, but it will start approaching to V1. Okay, so and here any solution if you have here, so that will also goes in the direction of V1, and you can extend in this side as well. So you are going away. Okay, so and let us say you have any solution here, but it will start approaching to this, and this is corresponding to bigger eigenvalue, which has positive sign. Okay, so one solution approaching to the origin and another solution is going away, and in that case critical point is called saddle point. Okay, next now we come to second case, and you have repeated eigenvalues, and eigenvalues are same, so you have only two possibility. Let us say first case is you take negative eigenvalues. Okay, so take a matrix which has negative eigenvalue, so -7, -4, 1, -3. Find corresponding, so just solve a minus lambda I to find lambda. So lambda is -5, and in fact this matrix has two eigenvalue, -5 and -5, and find corresponding eigenvector which is 1, 2. Okay, so you have only one eigenvalue here. So we will draw the sketch. Okay, so first, so this is x1, this is x2. So eigenvalue is negative and vector is 1, 2. So just go 1 and 2. So this is the direction. Okay, so 1, 2. So e power -5t. So negative eigenvalue, you are going towards the origin. So in that direction. Okay, so now here you may have some difficulty that you have only one eigenvalue. So let us say you have any solutions say approaching from that direction. So will it go like this, or will it go like directly? So that is known as direction. Okay, so we see the direction of solution. So whether solution are approaching to this point, so in that way, or maybe directly in that way. So to check the direction of solution, so maybe they are going in that direction, or maybe they are moving in that direction. So to check the direction of the solutions, you need to take any random vector. So let us pick any vector. Say you can take simple vector 1 0. Okay, so 1 0 or 0 1, something like that, or 1 1. So and apply matrix A on that. Okay, so matrix A is -7, -4, 1, -3. Apply on that vector 1 0. So 1 0 will be here. Okay, so 1. So then you need to find the final answer. So that final answer is -7, -4. So any solution will going in that direction. So that will go -7. So in negative direction. So this means that any solution, so they are going in that direction, say, so in that direction, so they will approach to equilibrium point in that direction. And similarly you can check here. So any solution going, let me draw the good graph. So any solution going in that direction, so it will go like this. Okay, so to check the direction of solution, you need to see that how matrix A rotating any vector. So you are applying A on X. So in which way final answer goes, whether it is going clockwise or whether it is going counterclockwise. And in that case, all solutions are approaching to the origin, so, or critical point. So critical point is stable in this case. And now I take second example in this direction. So again we have repeated eigenvalues, but both are positive. Okay, so take a matrix which has same positive eigenvalue. So let us take A equal to 2, 1 by 3, -3, 4. Okay, find its eigenvalue. They are 3 and 3, and corresponding eigenvector is 3 -1. So firstly we draw the vector V in phase plane. So where will be V? So this is x1, x2. So V will be 3 -1. So 3 here, -1 here. So that will be V1, or sorry, V eigenvector V. And of course solution will have e power 3t. So all solution will go away. And this is the case of unstable. So firstly draw the, so this is the case. Okay, maybe you need to pass from that. So you are going in that direction, lambda equal to 3, and here as well you are going away, and any solution will start here. So that will need to go in that direction. So firstly let us check the direction. Okay, so apply matrix A. Let us apply on 1 0 or 0 1. So 0 1 be here somewhere. So any solution that will go into that direction, so where it will go, so answer is -3 4, and -3 4 will be in that direction. Okay, so any solution will go in that direction, will start going in that direction, and any solution will going here. So you can take this point as an example, and apply matrix A, so that will go into this direction. And both eigenvalues are positive, so critical point is, so this is an example of unstable critical point. So as t increases, you are going away from the critical point. Next, third case, that you have complex eigenvalues. Okay, so complex eigenvalues where real part is, so first part is negative. Okay, so in that case take A, so let us take -2 -3, 3 -2. Find its eigenvalues. Okay, so they are lambda equal to -2 plus -3 iota, and here we don't need to find eigenvector to draw a phase portrait, because solution will have e power -2t and then sine and cosines. Okay, and due to the sine and cosine you will get spiral type solution, and e power -2t will be there, so all solution goes into the origin. Okay, so let us take, say this is x1, this is x2. Okay, so solution will approach to origin. So any, let us start any solution from, but firstly you need to check the direction. So firstly apply matrix A. So let us start any solution that is going in that direction. Okay, which is 1 0. So apply matrix A on 1 0 or 0 1, you can apply in any vector. So you got -2 -3. So any solution going in that direction, that will go into negative direction. So all solution will go clockwise direction. So let us start any solution here. So that will be a spiral type solution. Okay, and after some time it will approach to the origin, so in that direction. Okay, so you are going, okay, go in that direction, go there, go there, go there, and solution will approach to the origin, and this is called stable spiral. Okay, and I'm discussing second case here as well. So complex eigenvalue when real part is positive. So let us take matrix A, which is 2 -3 3 2, and its eigenvalues are 2 plus minus 3 iota. So eigenvalue with the positive real part, so that will have e power 2t. So just draw the phase portrait. Okay, so this is x1 x2 plane, and you need to check directions. Okay, so you can check any direction, 1 0 or 0 1. So let us apply matrix A on vector 1 0. Okay, so 1 0 will be here. So answer is 2 minus 3. So any solution starting from this, that goes to 2 minus 3. So 2, where will be 2 minus 3? Somewhere here. Okay, so you are going away like this. Okay, so start solution from critical point. So if you start from critical point, you will going away in this. Sorry. So you are going away in this direction. Okay, so start here, go in this direction and that. So since you are going away from the origin, and if you start from critical point, you go away. So this is unstable spiral, and of course spiral will be here due to sine and cosines. Okay, so now I am taking its third part. So complex eigenvalue when real part is 0. So let us take any matrix which has 0 eigenvalue. So 0, -5, 1, 0. So find its eigenvalue. So lambda equal to plus minus √5 iota. Okay, so take with plus sign. So just take this one. Okay, so since you don't have real part, so solution will have e power 0t. So that will be 1. So solution will only have sine and cosines. So due to sine and cosines, you got circles. Okay, so all solutions stay on a circle. So you are not going anywhere. And critical point is called here center. Okay, so solution will be like this. Okay, and you need to check the direction. So whether you are going in that side or you are going on that side. So that you need to apply again matrix on a random vectors. Let us say 1 0. So 1 0. So let us take 1 0. So you are getting 0 -5. So this means that direction. Okay. So we can put arrows by applying matrix A on a random point, say 1 0. So then we need to put arrow starting from this 1 0, that is from 1 0 in the direction of this 0 -5. So in that direction. And critical point in that case is called center. So far we have discussed all three cases, that how you can draw a rough sketch or phase portrait of this solution for constant coefficient system. And we have observed that due to negative eigenvalue you are approaching to origin, so that they are stable solution, and in positive eigenvalue you are going away from the critical point, so they are unstable. So now I am giving one more definition. So if lambda 1 not equal to lambda 2 are real eigenvalue with same sign, okay, so either they are positive or they are negative, then critical point of for autonomous system, that was 0. Critical point is called a node. If both are positive eigenvalue, this node is called source. So this is criteria for critical point. So this is called a source. So from source you are getting something, so you are going away. So source means that is producing something and kicking outside. Okay, that is called source. And if lambda 1 is negative, so both are negative, then this node is called sink. Okay. Okay, so sink means that everything you are putting in the sink. Okay, so you are going towards, so this is called sink. So in that way, without solving the system, by seeing its eigenvalue and eigenvectors, you can draw a rough sketch which is known as phase portrait, and also you can tell the behavior that critical point is stable or unstable depending on the value of the eigenvalues.